Hi friends, welcome to Chasing Our Daydream. I am Jeanette, and this is my hubby Paul, and of course our four-legged co-pilot Kirma. We've taken off from our home state in Minnesota to take an epic vacation in Wyoming. Our ride is my ZR2 Chevy Colorado, which we call Black Betty. This channel is all about chasing adventure and finding joy in the journey. We just left the iconic Devil's Tower behind and are headed towards Thermopolis, Wyoming, on the hunt for a peaceful boondocking spot. If you missed our Devil's Tower adventure, head back to our last video and catch the magic. We arrived in Wyoming ready for wood fires, only to be hit with the burning ban. For two fire lovers like Paul and me, that just wouldn't do. So we stopped in Gillette, and lucky us, Walmart had one gas fire pit left. Cleaning up the truck a little bit while Paul's in, doing a little supply run at Walmart in Gillette. I was like cleaning the vehicle out. Then off to Menards, where we grabbed their last 10-pound propane tank. Turns out they were also the only place in town filling propane on a Sunday. Somebody was definitely looking out for us.
I gotta go pay.
After the quick stop to Gillette, we rode back onto the highway I-90, chasing the horizon until we reached Buffalo. From there, we merged onto Highway 16, and that's when the magic really began. The views of the Bighorn Mountains were absolutely breathtaking, towering peaks, golden light, and that wide-open Wyoming sky. You couldn't help but slow down and soak it all in. Our route took us through the charming towns of Ten Sleep and Worland, each with its own small town charm. As the sun began to dip behind the mountains, we ventured off the beaten path in search of the perfect boondocking spot for the night, and let me tell you, we found it peaceful and beautiful. As we got closer to our boondocking spot, we found using Onyx app, we came across a gate. It wasn't locked, so we hopped out, opened it up, and continued toward our little slice of off-grid paradise. Always double check for signage and respect private land boundaries. This one was clearly open to campers, and we were grateful for the access.
Girl?
Huh?
I said hi to camera. I said hi, baby girl. What?
A lot different than last one.
Yep, it is. That's the fun thing about doing this kind of stuff. The different variety. Places you can find.
Nobody can see a thing to us.
No, we are on BLM land, which Mama's cooking dinner tonight. Just gonna have an easy dinner tonight. Some burgers on. I'm making some macaroni and cheese.
No service.
Yeah, I know.
What?
We're fine. I know. At where we're gonna be for the night. We got our drink. We got our dinner. Gas fireplace. We're set for the evening. You can see the road over there. See the light?
You can see it when I'm sitting in the...
We got Kierma out for a walk on the BLM land we found outside of Thermopolis, Wyoming. It's pretty nice back here. There's no one out here, just us. And we're not too far out. Maybe, how far do you think we're out off the main road? About a mile and a half out from the main road we're in. And here, back there. That's where we're parked. There's Paul, Kierma, they're getting over by the camper. Woohoo! It's gonna be so nice sleeping tonight and peaceful. No people. No people. I love being alone. Seemed like I learned in the last 5 years I'd rather be alone than live with people. But, of course, want to be with Paul, but on strangers and stuff. Yeah. Anyways, I like to be alone. I like campgrounds like this that we can be just secluded. Which, of course, not even a campground, but we could be here. We're on BLM land. Yes, the plan tomorrow. Go to the state park in Thermopolis, and do the hot springs.
Figure out what the fuck we're gonna do with her.
One, I say we go over there early because if she has to be in the vehicle for a while, the weather will still be cooler. And who wants to be in the hot springs if it's hot? Or you want to be in there if it's 85 degrees outside?
It'll feel cooler.
So, but it is a state park, so dogs, I do believe, are allowed to walk around the area.
Okay. I like the mac and cheese.
Our camp setup looks pretty cool at night. Our fire there, Black Betty, Jim laying by the chairs.
You've had enough to eat.
What is those? Oh, the Skittles.
Freeze-dried wonders.
Freeze-dried wonders.
Hi, I'm camping.
On BLM land.
In Utah? No, Idaho. No, wait, Wyoming.
Hey, that sounds like what I would be doing.
I know her, man.
I know. But I was just telling my camera that first time in 3 days my stress management went off. Which normally every day, especially when I'm working my job, it goes off probably
It should have went off
30 times a day.
It should have went off last night when we first set up camp.
Why? Walking up the hill?
No, the emergency poop.
Oh. Oh yeah, no kidding. It should have.
That would have been a lot of stress for me. It's Especially since the tail wasn't ready and everything, and you were trying to pinch it off.
Yeah. That was not good.